Welcome to this comprehensive guide on meal planning with Amiclear. In this video, we will show you how to effectively lower blood sugar levels through proper meal planning. By following the tips and strategies in this guide, you can take control of your health and manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Before we dive into the meal planning specifics, let's take a moment to understand blood sugar levels. High blood sugar, or hyperglycemia, can have serious health implications, especially for individuals with diabetes. It's important to maintain stable blood sugar levels for overall well-being. Meal planning plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. By carefully selecting and portioning out foods, you can keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. This helps prevent spikes and crashes that can negatively impact your health. Carbohydrates have the biggest impact on blood sugar levels. It's important to choose the right carbs that have a low glycemic index. These carbs are digested slowly, causing a gradual rise in blood sugar. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are great options. In addition to carbohydrates, protein and fat also play a role in managing blood sugar levels. Balancing these macronutrients helps slow down the absorption of sugars, preventing blood sugar spikes. Include lean proteins and healthy fats in each meal. Meal prepping and portion control are key to successful blood sugar management. Preparing meals in advance helps you make healthier choices and avoid spontaneous, unhealthy options. Portion control ensures you're consuming an appropriate amount of carbohydrates and other nutrients. Smart snacking is an important aspect of meal planning for blood sugar management. Instead of reaching for sugary and processed snacks, opt for healthier alternatives like nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits. These snacks provide essential nutrients without causing significant blood sugar spikes. It's important to create balanced meals that contain a mix of all essential nutrients. This ensures that your blood sugar levels remain stable and you receive proper nutrition. Aim to include a variety of vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in each meal. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of meal planning for lowering blood sugar levels. By implementing these strategies and making smart food choices, you can take control of your health and manage your blood sugar effectively. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.